painted rainbow arts.
Let's draw a cake. Now use a scale to draw a straight line. Draw two curves like this and join them. Now after joining these lines, we will draw first layer of the cake. Kids, follow me step by step and you will find you have drawn a very cute cake. Now let's draw top layer of the cake. Now let's draw his cute eyes. Now let's draw his cute smile. It's time to add designs. Do you like cakes? One, two, three hearts. One, two, three candles.
It's coloring time.
Light blue, light blue.
Blue, blue, blue.
Light blue, light blue.
Blue, blue, blue.
Light blue, light blue.
Blue, blue, blue.
Do you know sky is of blue color?
Yellow. Cake, cake. Yellow, yellow cake. Very, very yummy cake. Red, red. Heart is red. Let's color dark green, light green, orange, purple, pink. If you like our video, please do subscribe. Brown, brown.
Chocolatey color brown. Let's color brown.
Let's light up our candles. Our drawing is complete. It's looking very delicious. Bye bye friends. Thank you for watching.